Removing a processor direct water cooling module. Remove the top cover. Remove the cold plate covers from the processor heat sinks. Loosen the 2 screws from the hose holder cover. Pull the cover backwards to disengage the cover from the holder. Disconnect the liquid detection sensor module cable from the connector on the system board assembly. Push the holder latches to the sides to unlock the liquid detection sensor module. Disengage the hoses and liquid detection sensor module from the hose holder. Use a torque screwdriver and follow the removal sequence shown on the cold plate label to fully loosen the Torx T20 captive screws on the cold plate assembly. Carefully lift the direct water cooling module from the processor sockets. If there is any old thermal grease on the cold plates, gently clean the cold plate with an alcohol cleaning pad. If necessary, loosen the screw that locks the hose holder and then lift the hose holder out of the chassis. Reinstall the screw back on the processor board.